Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, in this video, I'd like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill using a short story or an article related to the use of simple present tense, especially general truth. We use simple present tense is to express general truth. Well, you should try to memorize and retell the story when I tell you it. Okay? Now please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Every morning, the sun rises. The sun rises in the east. When it rises, it is day. In the evening, the sun always sets. The sun sets in the west. After the sun sets, the moon begins to rise and the stars begin to twinkle. It is night. Okay, do you still remember the story? Now please answer my question. Question number 1. Where does the sun rise? Question number 2. Does the sun rise in the east? Question number 3. Where does the sun set? The next question, please. Does the sun set in the west? After the sun sets, what will happen? The next question. What is it called? Okay, I think the video is very useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching.